Need to extract text from a scanned PDF? I'll show you how to do it in a few clicks. Using the convenient Google Chrome extension. To do this, we need to install the PDF2 text extension in the browser. A link to it will be in the first pinned comment under the video. Open Google Chrome, enter Web Store and go to the first link. Enter PDF2 text in the search field at the top and press enter. Select PDF2 text, the first option in the list from Previews Lab, and click on it. Then press the Add From button and confirm the installation. Do not forget to fix the extension icon on the Tools panel for quick access. PDF2 text extension installed. Now let's try to extract text from a scanned document. I have prepared such a document that cannot be copied. Let's open the extension in the upper right corner. We need to go to another page since it won't open in PDF. Click on the next tab repeatedly. Click on the next tab repeatedly. On the link in the letter, and also see this text already in a separate window here. It can be edited. Copy and download it in a text format for convenient work. Now you know how to extract text from a scanned PDF document using the extension PDF to text like this video, and leave your comments if you have any questions. All useful links you will find in the first pinned comment. Until we meet again.